In this online tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage payment tokens. Log in to your online THPRD account using your username and password. On the left-hand column under Payment Methods, select Add Credit Card. Label your credit card. Enter the name as it appears on your credit card, and create a 4-digit PIN number for your payment token. This PIN number should not be the same as your personal PIN number assigned to your credit card. Select Next. You now want to add your credit card information to your payment token. Select the Launch Credit Card window. Enter your credit card payment information in the Freedom Pay window. Select Submit. You have now successfully created a payment token on your THPRD online portal. If you need to change the credit card information, select the Manage Payment option on the left-hand column. It is important to note there is no way to modify the credit card information once it is inputted. If you need to change the credit card information, delete and create a new token for the credit card. This concludes our online tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit any of the THPRD facilities and our staff will be happy to help you.